everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I got my Boxycharm in. Yay! I did tell you some days there would be 2 videos because I am doing the 31 days of Halloween, so just consider this an extra video. Though it is Boxycharm. And I'm excited because it's brands I like that I know don't bother my eyes. And there are like 3 different variations, so I'm excited about this. Maybe 4 if there's something. Anyway. And you also have a 10% off your next purchase from It Cosmetics, plus 3 free samples with code JUSTFORYOUBOXY. Y-O-U, not just you. And it's good through, valid on orders of $30 or more through November 15th. So you got like over a month. And then it tells you what's inside and the price and has a little picture of everything. First thing I'm going to pull out is this Lace Appeal from Dermovia Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask with compression technology, intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Peel intensity level is medium, so meaning it's going to strip you of your hair. So you gotta be really careful not to get it over here. If you don't need it up there, I wouldn't bother with your forehead unless your forehead has some pores. I'd mostly concentrate this stuff, and it's not like and there's a tube and you squeeze out the paste and you rub it in your areas that you want to, and then you put this mask on, and this mask apparently hooks around your ears and then hooks up from your jawline around your ears, so that's new. And this retails for $30. Would I ever pay $30 for this? No. Guess it's the trying, but seriously, you could have gave us $5 mask box thing. I would have been happy with 6 $5 masks, you know what I'm saying? Next thing everybody got is the It Superhero Mascara. I remember not loving this, maybe because it was in a sample. You know, sometimes that affects it. I don't know. I want to say I didn't notice that big of a change. Maybe it was just me, and that maybe it didn't hold my curl, or maybe it smudged too much. But I'm going to give it a go, and if I don't like it, I will just pass it on to like my mom or my sister-in-law, whoever wants it, you know. We'll share eye germs. It's okay. This retails for $24, so it's awesome that, you know, you get a big old mascara. Next thing that everybody got was a shade of the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. And I got the shade, which a lot of people did, but then some people didn't. I got the shade Bow and Arrow, which is, if you ever see their little sets for like, I think $12 or $20, that has like a little mini tattoo liner, which I don't like because it bothers my eyes, and I don't know why it bothers my eyes, but it does. But, and then it always messes up on the side, don't ask me why. But it comes in that, and a little liquid lipstick is usually always the Bow and Arrow one. And I've almost bought that set before, you know, I actually got a sample of that, tattoo liner, and then, I don't know, I just almost bought this. And I do really like this because it's like a perfect nude. This retails for $20, and it is matte. All of them are matte. And this is my variation. Instead of the, they had a pharmacy exfoliating thing, I think, or something, or a mask. Or you had this, or you had, there's 2 Ahava hand creams you could have got. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Is this like this is their leave-in conditioner, right? I always thought it's leave-in conditioner. Is this a different one? I don't know. I know I've got I swear it said leave-in conditioner a lot, leave-in mask, but I think it's the same thing. Spray for all hairs and textures, perfect for very dry, damaged, and or chemically treated hair. Argan oil technology visibly repairs and strengthens damaged hair and split ends. Ooh, I need you for some split ends. The longer your hair gets, the more split ends you get. But I've missed this, the leave-in conditioner. I don't know if I tried this, but I've missed this. Like, I don't know, I've been trying different things, and I like the Eva NYC, which actually helped. Ooh, that, like, yeah, it smells exactly, oh, maybe it's the smell I miss the most. It smells so nice. And I'm just going to spray. I always like work this way. Let me try. But anyway, let's see, that's the thing. My hair loves argan oil. My body can tolerate argan oil. My face, no, my face hates argan oil. Same with honey. Honey, hair likes, body's fine, face, no. So this retails, it's the travel size. It's not the full size. This retails for $16. At least what everybody got is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. This is limited edition. It is the face and eye palettes, and you've got 4 face colors, or what they say is face colors, and 6 eyeshadows. And they're not always labeled as vegan, but they tend to be vegan. Or this one says vegan friendly, but I'm not seeing anything unless there's some kind of weird ingredient. But I'm not seeing any carmines, the main thing. And see, Pure, I know some people love the Trolls, or no, love the My Little Pony palette that they did. Some people really don't. And then I love their Trolls. I think everybody can't love their Troll palette that they came out with. In collaboration with the movie Trolls. And then the Boxycharm palette that they did was awful. That blue shade was awful. I have hopes for this because I don't think it's a full-on collab with Boxycharm. 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent, sultry, and mysterious. The limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look that you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. This is $38. It's not big, but it is gorgeous. These are the shades. I'm going to cover up this little mirror, but it's just an itty bitty mirror. I love these. That is a gorgeous blush. This is not going to be a blush on me either. I mean, maybe lightly I could, but that is a gorgeous like transition shade for me because you only got one matte brown. So, and all of these can go as a transition shade, you know what I'm saying? That's shimmery. So if you're dark complected, like really dark, or heavy melanin, that's a gorgeous highlight, and that's a good highlight too. But these can work as crease shades as well, and you know, you can have Bravo and highlight with that one, or a lid color. So I'm excited to play. I actually brought little cotton rounds to remove my current eye makeup. I'm going to take this Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer, which actually good coverage, but it looks awful underneath my eyeballs. But it is good for carving out a crease real quick, or as an eyeshadow base for me. Oh, did you notice that they had like the Masquerade print on them? Let's see how workable this little thing is on here. I'm going to take the shade Hidden Secret, which is the peachy blush shade. Plum shade of Reveal. I'm going to go into, I'm going to go into this green, which is green gold, which is called Mask Off. Which is cool. And it applies dry. Fine, well dry. This has some loose glitter, so I'm probably going to see that on my face, just the glitter parts. But at least it's pigmented and not just solid glitter. You know, what I most want out of a palette is workability. You know, I usually do my eye, or 99% of the time I do my eyeshadow at work. So it's like a little too late out the door. So I do it at work, so I can't spray a brush all the time. But I can deal with like a little bit of glitter fallout, you know, just the small kind, you know, the itty bitty glitters, not big chunks of glitter, you know what I'm saying? In 2 color, if it shows up and is pigmented, you know, before anything else. So I kind of like that, like almost goes like army greeny gold kind of thing. That's cool. Go into this blue called Showtime. Right here. You know, you show up. But you show up good. Oh my gosh, that's dry too, y'all. I could probably really get them foiled if I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? Or at least this blue. Blue shimmers are not easy. But I got there almost the color of the pen right there. So. I'm not really seeing major fallout with that shade. Like a little bit, but that looks actually more purple. Usually blues, I always have fallout. It doesn't matter what brand. It's the best brand in the world. But fallout. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Rose shows up. This is the silver one. Well, that shows up with this little weird brush. It has that weird. I'm gonna actually lead with this shade, which is Enchantment. Pretty like copper rose colored color. To reveal is that purpley blush kind of color. Go into Twilight. I'm just gonna do like brow bone highlight with it. Gonna go like this to blend everything together and try the It Superhero. Not bad. Alright. And last but not least is the Lippy in Bow and Arrow. Now, Kat Von D is not my favorite formula. That can be a little drying. It's very light brown and pretty. Add the blush. I'm going to try the dark one. I don't know. Most of my blushes wore out. We're just going to try and see how it goes. Okay, that's just me barely tapping into it, so. Actually very workable. Okay. I'm dabbing in that purple one, so don't be scared of it. You know, it went on heavier on the eyes. It actually applies really nicely on the cheeks. Okay. And try the Dazzle highlight. But I also want to like mix it with, top it with that one. And like just mix both of them together. Are we blinding a little bit? Not strict blinding. Pure has really nice highlighters. Like I love that trio they gave us, that cheek one. I liked that bronzer because it wasn't really shimmery, but it was nice. It just looked nice on the skin, and I love the blush. It's just a little bright. It's more springtime, and the highlight was gorgeous. So I'm feeling that. Thank you, Pure. I think it was a really good month this month. I really do. So I'm actually liking the mascara at the moment, unless the smudge is really bad. And the palette is gorgeous. Of course, I will have to let you know how it wears later, but I think it's gorgeous and it works and it looks nice, you know. I have three Kat Von D's. I have K-Dub, Lovesick, which is a very muted mauvey purple, and then K-Dub is a bright lilac color, and this one. So, and those are samples. I don't got the full size yet. This is nice. It's a good fall color, and it looks like it's almost going a little darker. That's cool as it dries, but I'm really liking the lid color. So I think it's fun. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!